An everyday carry backpack is a great way to carry life-saving gear to protect yourself. But what do you really need to carry in an EDC backpack? In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 essential tools that you need in your EDC backpack. This video is sponsored by Dry Fire Mags. Dry Fire Mags are an incredible tool that I use every day to make the most out of my dry fire training. Dry Fire Mags insert into your gun just like a regular mag and allow you to pull the trigger over and over and get a click every time without racking the slide. You can practice trigger press, target transitions, follow-up shots, shooting faster, and so much more. Pick yours up today and make the most out of your dry fire training. Use code WORKMAN10 for 10% off. What is up, guys? Will Workman here with Workman Protection, here to give you the skills, the tools, and the mindset to protect yourself and your family. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe down below so that we can get this content past the algorithm. It ain't always easy. Let's get right into the 3 tools that you need for your EDC pack. And be sure to stick around to the end where I'll tell you the one tool that I never carry in my everyday carry pack.
That's a surprise tool that can help us later.
The first is gonna be a knife. Now, I know what you're thinking. Will, I carry a knife just fine in my pocket. Sure, you can do that.
I suppose you could do that. Now would everyone please back off?
But for me personally, I lose pocket knives so regularly that it's ridiculous. It's kind of a problem. But even if you keep up with your pocket knife, you're probably carrying a really light, small one because you can carry it around more comfortably. Carrying a knife in a backpack allows you to carry that bigger pocket knife or even a fixed blade if you want to. This is one that was my grandpa's. Somebody told me in the comments that it's an Italian-made knife. I really like the look of it, but it's a little bit too long to have comfortably in my pocket. It's just a little bit bulky, so I love keeping it in my backpack. The other one is this Sivi Knife that they sent to me for free. It's just a little spring-loaded knife. Sometimes I'll stick this in my pocket if I'm feeling brave. They sent me another black one of these, and I've already lost it. My bad. The second tool is a high-powered, long-lasting flashlight. Even if you carry a small EDC light in your pocket every day like I do, the battery is not gonna last long if you're using it regularly.
That's true.
If you're in a car accident or a medical emergency at night, or you just wish your everyday carry light had a lot more power, then keeping a bigger light in your EDC backpack solves all of those problems. I carry the AceBeam EC20 in my pocket, and then I actually carry a Streamline ProTac 90X and the AceBeam Terminator in my backpack. I really like flashlights. Most important tool that you need in your everyday carry pack is an IFAK, or a trauma medical kit. Now, this is not your standard first aid boo-boo kit. This is a medical kit for emergency bleeding control. Gunshot wounds, stab wounds, dog attacks, car crashes, what have you. If you're committed to keeping yourself and your family safe, you have got to have an IFAK. I've had to use mine 5 different times. This one was sent to me from my friends over at Mountain Man Medical, and this is their Yellowstone trauma kit. Check out my affiliate link for them in the description down below. So what is the one thing that I never carry in a backpack?
Drum roll, please.
My handgun, and that is because it stays on my person so that I can access it quickly whenever I need it. God forbid, if I need my handgun to defend myself, I need it now, not in 10 seconds. Carrying in a backpack makes it nearly impossible to get your gun out quickly. But what do you think? Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments down below. If you gain value from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And until next time, be alert, stand firm in your faith, be strong, be courageous, and let all that you do be done in love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.